Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start immediately by cleaning and assessing the damage. Remove dust and oil so resin bonds. Once done, mark the chip center and secure a 1/2 clear tape over the flaw to contain resin. Next, set up the injector and inspect resin viscosity. Thin resin penetrates fine cracks, while thicker resin fills pits. Make sure to wear gloves and eye protection because the resin is sticky. Now position the injector over the marked spot and prepare to seat the plunger. You apply the injector and create a light vacuum to draw resin into microfractures. This is how adhesive penetrates inward rather than just sitting on top. Once the void feels filled, inject a bit more and tap the glass edges to coax out trapped air. Those microbubbles weaken the repair if left. After bubbles stop rising, lay curing film over the resin and expose it to UV light according to the kit instructions. This hardens the resin into a clear, load-bearing fill. You peel off the curing film and carefully scrape excess, cured resin with a razor at a 45 degrees angle so you don't gouge the glass. Once level, polish the spot with a resin pad and compound until optical clarity returns. This restores strength and appearance. Make sure to inspect edges and flecks under light to confirm the fill bonded. If the crack propagates or glass delaminates, stop immediately and replace the tempered glass. Repair can't salvage structural failures. Safety comes first.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.